Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Sarah Hoolt and Masha Klinova. This is a game from Chess Olympiad, women's section, played in Batumi, Georgia in 2018. Sarah Hoolt had white pieces and she started with e4. Masha Klinova played d6, d4, g6, pierce defense, baby. Knight to c3, bishop to g7, f4. Is it going to be the Austrian attack? a6, preparing b5, maybe. Knight to f3, knight to d7, white to move. e5 was played. e6, bishop to d3, knight to e7, knight to e4, d5, knight to f2, c5 attacking white center, c3, b6, and Sarah Hoolt castled king side. Bishop to b7, b3, queen to c7, queen to e2. The center is closed. White has a space advantage. b5, bishop to a3. This is a very important move. c4, b takes on c4, d takes on c4. If b takes on c4, bishop to c2, and black light squared bishop would be out of business. d takes on c4, bishop to e4, knight to d5, bishop takes on d5, bishop takes on d5, knight to e4, bishop takes on e4. Following the rule, if you have less space, exchange pieces. Queen takes on e4. Well, white is standing better. Can you see why? Black can't castle. If white dark squared bishop is challenged, queen takes rook. Knight to b6, bishop to d6 attacking the queen. Queen to c8. White is definitely standing better. But how to continue? What would you do? General rule says if you have castled and your opponent didn't, then you should open the files. But how? Which pawn to push? What to do? Sarah Hoolt played f5, sacrificing the pawn. G takes on f5, capturing towards the center. Queen to h4. Nothing serious. Just threatening checkmate on e7. Queen to d8, preventing queen to e7 checkmate and offering to exchange queens. Queen to h5, knight to d5, knight to g5, again threatening checkmate. Queen to d7, defending f7 square. Well, it looks like that black is holding. Do you agree? Yes? No? This is now the most interesting moment of the game. It is white to move. Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Perhaps a4 comes to mind. Do you agree? But there was a surprise of epic proportions. Sarah Hoolt sacrificed the rook on f5. Wow. What a move. Did you see this coming? Pawn takes rook, what else? But what now? What was the idea behind the rook sacrifice? What is the follow-up? Please pause again and try to find the follow-up, which Sarah Hoolt saw before she sacrificed the rook. The follow-up is e6, sacrificing the bishop too, in order to deflect the black queen. Queen takes bishop, what else? Queen takes on f7 check, king to d8, queen takes on g7, king to c8, queen takes rook check. Sarah Hoolt got her material back and the attack continues. King to b7, queen takes pawn on h7 check, king to b6. Well, black could have had resigned, but she knew that people on YouTube would like to see a possible continuation. So, she continued playing. Rook to e1. Knight takes on c3, knight to f3, rook to e8, queen takes pawn on f5, knight takes pawn on a2, d5, knight to b4, knight to e5, queen takes on d5. White played a move and black resigned, and the move is queen to f2, black resigned. If king goes to c7, then queen to f7 check, king to d8, e7 check, rook takes, what else? On e7, knight to c6 check. If knight takes on c6, queen takes queen, queen takes on c6, queen takes rook check, king to c8, perhaps queen takes knight. And what else? If after check, king goes to a5, then one line goes like this. Rook to a1 check, and what now? Knight to a2, queen takes on a2, king to b6, queen takes on a6, and the black king would be checkmated soon. This game won the Brilliancy prize in the round 3 of the women's section. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.